Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is in English for grade 2, and we are going to learn our unit number 7, the Tulip Festival. So my dear students, we are going to start our new chapter today. So my dear teacher, this is lesson plan, and I have divided this unit according to these lectures, that you can see that how we can cover up this unit. So I am going to tell you in detail. In our first lecture, under the title of Grammar, we will learn about substitution words, and its SLO will be illustrate the use of substitution words learnt earlier. Recognize that some words substitute particular and general naming words. So my dear teachers, in lecture number 2, 2A, under the title of Grammar, we will learn about punctuation. There is a punctuation topic on page number 58. And its SLO will be identify punctuation marks in a sentence, e.g. capitalization, comma, full stop, question mark, etc. And another SLO, recognize that a sentence ends with a form of punctuation, i.e. question mark and full stop. So my dear students and my dear teacher, and our next lecture, lecture 2B, we will learn about alphabetical order. Okay, how we can arrange, in question number 6, that how we can arrange different alphabets according to the alphabetical order. Okay, and its SLO will be use first and second letters to arrange words in alphabetical order. So my dear teachers, our next lecture, lecture number 3, we will learn about cardinal numbers, and we will cover up page number 59, question number 7, and its SLO will be write cardinal numbers in words from 1 to 10. In our lecture number 4, we will cover up about reading and comprehension, and we will get page number 55 and 56. We will cover, inshallah, my dear students, and this SLO will be interact with the text to use reading strategies to locate information to answer simple in a word or two. In our lecture number 5, we will learn about reading and comprehension skills and how we can understand different text according to the reading skills, and we will cover up page number 60. Half text we will cover up in this lesson, and its SLO will be interact with the text and use reading strategies to locate information to answer simple in a word or two. So my dear students and my dear teachers, in our lecture number 6, we will learn about reading skills. Which reading skills? On page number 8, question number 8, page number 59, we will learn about currency and coins, and its SLO will be read familiar words appearing on a variety of reading materials such as food labels, advertisements, coins, and currency notes, etc. So my dear teachers, our next lecture, lecture number 7, we will learn recognize and write parts of the body. Question number 10 on page number 61, and its SLO will be classify and recognize the parts of the body. So my dear fellow teachers, in our lecture number 8, we will learn about oral communication skills, how we can be engaged in conversation. We will learn that how we can discuss things with each other, and its SLO will be demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in a group to participate in the conversation. Next is, in our lecture number 9, under the title of writing skills, we will learn about how we can describe different pictures, different things, different persons on page number 62. And my dear teachers, its SLO will be right actions are describing words using a series of actions in a picture. So in this way we will cover this unit. So my dear students, open your book, page number 55. We are going to start our unit number 7, the Tulip Festival. Okay, ट्यूलिप का त्यौहार. बेटा ये एक वो त्यौहार है जो आज़ाद कश्मीर में के इलाके श्रीनगर में मनाया जाता है. आज हम उसके बारे में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट पेज ओपन करें आप, पेज नंबर 56 पे आए, एंड वी विल स्टार्ट आवर फर्स्ट लाइन. हैव ओपन? गुड. Okay, let's start. Every year the Tulip Festival is celebrated in Srinagar, Kashmir. हर साल ट्यूलिप का त्यौहार कहाँ मनाया जाता है? श्रीनगर, कश्मीर में मनाया जाता है. Celebrated मीन मनाया जाता है. In the tulip garden, 1.5 million plants are planted. ट्यूलिप का एक बाग बनाया जाता है, फूलों का, बेटा ट्यूलिप एक फूल का नाम है, तो वो एक बाग बनाया जाता है जिसमें 1.5 मिलियन पौधे उगाए जाते हैं। किस चीज के पौधे? फूलों के पौधे, ट्यूलिप के पौधे, और डिफरेंट कलर्स के। The pretty garden spreads over 30 hectares. The Tulip Festival is held at the beginning of the spring in Srinagar between March and May. The pretty garden, ये खूबसूरत सा बाग 30 हेक्टर पे फैला हुआ होता है, मीन्स ताहद्दे निगाह जहां तक भी आपकी नजर जाएगी तो एक वसी तरीन बाग ये फैला हुआ होता है और रंग बिरंगे फूलों से। इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटीफुल। ओके, ट्यूलिप फेस्टिवल मनाया कब जाता है, ये शुरू कब होता है श्रीनगर में? ये बेटा मार्च से मई तक जाता है, मीन्स मार्च, अप्रैल एंड मई, 3 माह ये मनाया जाता है और ये स्प्रिंग के सीजन में मनाया जाता है। इट इज द मोस्ट पॉपुलर स्प्रिंग फेस्टिवल इन कश्मीर. Water channels running through the terraces and beauty to the garden. Visitors can also buy handicrafts from the festival. Tulip lovers must attend this flowering event. अब वो क्या कह रही है? वाटर चैनल्स मीन्स बहते हुए आबशार वहां से इतने खूबसूरत लगते हैं कि एक देखने का मंजर होता है, जबकि रंग बिरंगे फूल आपको वहां देखने को मिलेंगे, ट्यूलिप के डिफरेंट कलर्स। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हियर यू कैन सी दैट इन दिस इमेज. Okay, so have you watched that? Look, yellow, red, here is red, there is purple, again yellow, in this way. So beautiful flowers are there and you can find a lot of variety of flowers are there. And next में क्या कह रही है? Visitors can also buy handicrafts from there. और वहाँ मुख्तलिफ किस्म के स्टॉल भी लगाए जाते हैं जहाँ घर से बनी हुई चीज़ें ला के रखते हैं, उनकी एग्जीबिशन नुमाइश की जाती है और जो विजिटर्स वहाँ आते हैं वो उनकी ख़रीदारी करते हैं। तो जो ट्यूलिप के लवर हैं, जिनको ये ट्यूलिप का फूल बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, तो वो उनके लिए भी एक मैसेज है कि वो जाके ये त्यौहार ज़रूर अटेंड करें और वो इंजॉय करेंगे और उनको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। हैव यू गॉट दैट माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? आज हमने अपना ये लेसन कंप्लीट किया। कल हम इसकी एक्सरसाइज के न्यू लेक्चर स्टार्ट करेंगे, लेक्चर नंबर 1 से इंशाल्लाह। सो till that time you have to be careful, you have to take great care of yourself. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.